pretty darn quick. As soon as I turned off the recorder, it actually finished. So I figured it's gonna take a little bit, but I can't remember. Is this Service Pack 1 on here? It is not. And this is 64 bits, so I'm going to need the 64-bit service pack for Windows 7. If it'll freaking load. Flash drive's old and slow, but it still goes. Holy crap. Not loading or anything. How about we do this? Try it that way, see if it freaking opens. There it goes. Huh? I guess it's gonna do its thing now. No, I like to do it this way because I'm on a slow internet connection and it takes ungodly forever to download the service pack through Windows Update. So that's why I do it this way. I just download the executable and then I install it from my flash drive. So that's the reason why I'm doing it this way. For many of y'all that's gonna say, why don't you just do it through Windows Update? Well, not everybody has cable internet like some people do. So looks good. The installation might take an hour or more. Your computer might need to restart several times. So I guess I will go find me something to eat. Go make me a sandwich. Eat my sandwich. Watch a movie. And then come back and this thing should be done. So okie dokie. I'll see y'all in a little bit.